All right, this is the Litto MP75. Never seen this lock. I don't know anything about it. Like it might have some side pins or side bitting or something. Not really sure. I'm going to use a 19 thousandths deep round Jimmy Long and a 1.2 millimeter tensioner. 1 and 2 are loose. 3 was binding. 4 is loose. 5 is binding. Now 1. Now 2 is binding. I got a little bit of a false set. That was 4. 4 is still binding, giving some counter rotation. Five dropped. 2 dropped. There we go. 5 dropped again, and 1 dropped. Now 2. 2 dropped as well. There we go. All right, well, let's get this thing gutted. See what's in it. I didn't hit anything on the side unless I did it unintentionally. All right, let's get this thing gutted. Definitely 5 pins in there, but I don't know what the deal was with those side pins or the bitting that was on the side. Some kind of element right there. I did not notice that. Do not know what that is. Throw a shim in here. There is some elements down there. I'm not sure what they do. Maybe they're just for key control, because I do not think that I touched them. It's like a master on pin 1. Also on pin 3. So I don't know, maybe those don't come. Whoop, guess they do come out. So this was on 4. 2. I think those are just passive pins. And they do not line up with the top pin, so I don't think that they would even be trap pins if you 360'd it. Keyway looks kind of bad, but you can get a pick in there. I used a 19 thousandths pick. Definitely going to be some spool pins in here. It's just a standard on 1. 2 was a spool. Funky looking spool. 4 is going to be a spool. Probably just a long standard driver pin. There's a groove in there for the side pins. That does not push in. I'm not sure what that hole is for. I guess maybe one of those pins stick in there if you use the wrong key or something. I don't know. But anyway, there we go. That is the Litto MP75. Big thanks to Captain for sending this over. All right.